Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to make a paper wall hanging. So here I'm using this off-white textured paper. If I find this on Amazon, I will leave a link of that in the description. You can use any color that you want. Now I'm going to draw a circle on this paper. So this is the circle that I drew. The diameter of this circle is 6 cm and the radius is 3 cm. You will need 20 such circles and then you have to cut them out. If you are a kid watching this video, then make sure you take help of your parents while doing this process. Make sure all the circles are of equal size and you cut them properly. You can also fold the paper and cut many circles at one time. So here I'm done cutting all the 20 circles and this is what it looks like. Now we are going to count them. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have taken another circle which is of a normal paper. This is not included in the 20 circles. This I have taken separately. So basically we are going to fold this and make a triangle. So I folded the first part till the center. Then I am folding the second one and making sure that the edges are sharp. Now the third part is also folded. This is how you have to fold and make a triangle out of it. So basically I am going to use this triangle as the guideline to fold all the 20 circles. So here I am going to place the triangle in the center. I am going to fold the first part, then I am going to remove the triangle and then I'll fold the second one. So if you will fold the first part correctly, it is easier for you to fold the second and the third one. Make sure all the edges are sharp and all the triangles that you make are of equal size. You just have to follow the same process and make the remaining triangles. Now I am done folding all the 20 triangles and this is what it looks like. Here I am going to take a triangle and apply Fevicol on its first side. Here I have taken the second one and now I am going to stick the sides of the triangles. Here I am sticking the third triangle. Like this you have to stick 5 triangles in total. Here I am done sticking the fourth one and now I am going to stick the fifth one. So while sticking the fifth one, you just have to stick it by one side and the other side should be open. So here I am done making the first one. Now we are going to make one more by following the same process. Till now we have used 10 triangles and we are left with 10 more. So these both are just the top and bottom part of the wall hanging. We have to make the middle part also. So here here I am done making both of these. Now I am going to let them dry for a while, and now we are going to make the middle part of the wall hanging. Here I have the 10 remaining triangles. Now I am going to stick them in a line. So firstly I am applying Fevicol on one side of the triangle. Afterwards I am going to stick the second triangle which is pointed downwards. So while sticking the triangles, remember one will be pointed upwards and the second one will be pointed downwards. You have to follow the same process and stick all the 10 triangles. So here I am done sticking all the 10 triangles, and now I am going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After that, here I have taken a golden string and now I am going to tie a knot to it. If I find this online, I will leave a link of that in the description box, so do check that out. In today's video, we are making a wall hanging, so there should be something that should hang it on a hook or wherever you want to attach it. So for that we are making this knot. So this is what the knot looks like. Make sure it is tight enough and does not open. After that, here I am cutting the extra. So here I have taken this thread latkan. If I find this online, I will leave a link of that in the description box. You can basically choose any color that you want to. But personally, I really liked this multicolor one because I thought it would go nice with my off-white wall hanging. So here I have again taken the golden string, or you can also call it as a golden thread. So I am going to pass this through the hole and now I am going to tie a knot to it. Here I am tying one more knot to make it even more secure. After that, you have to cut off the extra and apply some glue on the knot so that it is more secured. After this process, keep it aside and make sure it dries completely. Here I have taken the top part and now I am going to attach the knot like this. So here you just have to stick the remaining sides and close it. So this is what it will look like from the top. So this is what it looks like from the inside. Now here I am attaching a cello tape so that the strings are secured and does not move. Make sure it is secured enough so that when you hang it somewhere it does not fall. After that, here I am applying some Fevicol in the center so it is more secured. Now I am going to let this dry and I am focusing on the bottom part. So this thread latkan, we are going to attach it to the bottom part. So this is how we are going to attach the latkan. We are going to close these two ends by applying Fevicol, and afterwards we are going to apply the cello tape in the inside part. Here again I am applying Fevicol in the center to make it even more secure, and now I am going to let this dry. So this is the top part that we made. Now I am going to attach the middle part. So here I am applying Fevicol to all the sides. Now here we are going to stick the middle part that we made. So this is what it looks like. Now I am going to stick the second triangle. So this is the first triangle, this is the second one. We are sticking the upper side. Like this I am going to stick all the sides. Here we are done sticking the last part, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like from the inside. Here I am applying Fevicol, and afterwards I am going to stick the bottom part over it. So this is how our paper wall hanging looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, the link is given in the description and the ID is mentioned on the screen. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.